Hi everyone. To those of you watching these videos, um, what I am trying to do is show the step-by-step process of getting a bird, even an older bird such as Paddy, who is 28, to go from a bad eating habits to healthy eating habits to basic training, and maybe further. Let's see how it goes. It can be done. Um, you may be wondering why at 28 I have not done this with Paddy. The simple reason is I did not have to. Because I already had my first teal, who, if you've watched the earlier videos, I had one leg, I had to hand rear, and was very, very much adapted to me and me to him. We were quite bonded together. Where he understood me, I understood him, and there was no need for any of this. I mean, if I wanted him to step on my hand and he wanted to, he would. If he had to come out of his cage, he understood. And if he didn't, he would let me know. It was that simple. When I started adopting other birds, they would just follow his lead. So although they weren't bonded to me particularly because, head boy, Cody, did it, they all did it as well. So I've never had to go through this step-by-step training with those birds. And it's a very, very long time since I've done this. I did it with when Mum used to adopt birds and other animals. I used to end up being the one training them. But it's been a long time since those years now. So let's just show. I just want to show you on the fourth day after withholding birdseed, the power of Millet. Let's see if he will react to the camera, because so far he has not responded well to being videoed or hearing me talking and thinking, who the hell are you talking to, because it's not me. Okay, let's just see. Right, I'm going to hold out the millet in front of him. Right, there's the millet. Millet. Right, now see what a powerful tool millet is now. He's seen the millet. Will he come to it? Will he come to it? Do you want this, baby? Do you want this, Paddy? I know you don't like the camera too much. Let me move the camera back a little bit further. There you go. Do you want it, Paddy? Okay, no, you don't want it. Let's hide it away. You didn't want it, did you? Well, you didn't want it badly enough. Let's try again. Right, Millet, do you want it? Do you want it, Paddy? Do you want it, Paddy? You've got to come for it. I'm not going to give it to you this time. Okay, I might give you a little bit this time. No, I won't. I'll wait. Do you want it, Paddy? That's it. That's a good boy. That's a very good boy. You coming for it? See, now he's moving to me. See how powerful Millet is once you take birdseed out? Now, this is a lot, usually I just give him a little sprig. This is a large piece because I don't know how long I would be videoing for. So let's see how much I can achieve in one video. Okay, Paddy? You've been a very good boy. Now let's take the millet away now. That's it. Very good boy, Paddy. Very, very good boy. Yes, Paddy. Good boy. Yes. Right, now. Okay, now let's see if this works. What's this? What's this? It's a finger. It's a finger. It's a finger. Oh, no, finger no. Right? No. Let's try again. Let's wait a little bit till he settles. Okay, Paddy, look. Finger. And Millet. See, now the finger is not a big deal. He's not coming onto it yet. He does come up to me. Don't get me wrong. Say, if he ever finds himself in a situation where he has to get back to his cage or he feels uncomfortable, he does come to me and he will come on my hand. But he will not willingly do so in this type of situation. Like, I'm wanting him to come on my hand. And I need to get him on my hand very soon so I can take him out and give that cage a bloody good clean. Okay, Paddy. Shall we try again? Try again. Finger. 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 Not biting the finger. Trying to avoid it, but no. No biting. That's it. Millet gone. Well, it's disappeared, hasn't it, Paddy? It's disappeared. You know why it's disappeared, because you know it's no biting. No biting. I know you're not trying to hurt me, but that's not the point. Okay, now let's try to bring the millet up again. Millet up again. Finger. 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 No, no, no. You're not avoiding the finger. No. Okay, biting again. No. I thought those carrot tops would grow faster, but anyway, they're still their option. Okay, Millet. Millet. Okay, he's pissed off with me now. But we had one bit of success. We'll try again later and see what happens. This is going very, very well. Today I changed his main meal. Well, I didn't really. I used the same. Aha! He's coming for me. Okay, he's coming for me. That means he wants millet. Millet. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, no. Okay, let's just do the millet on its own. Millet, Paddy? Millet? No? Okay. We'll give up on it again. If you come towards me for the millet, you will get some. But I think he's now fed up. He's thinking, wow, she might have hidden some somewhere else. Not that I've ever done that before, of course. Shh. Obviously. Like I said, this is going really well. I'm still using that same type of puree, but Paddy's already getting bored with it. And this I think is going to be a problem. Because I've been testing so many foods on him, he's now gotten used to the fact that he gets something different every day or every other day. And things that he used to like or would eat quite happily, he's now deciding that he doesn't really want, because he's like, every time I open the fridge or he hears the microwave, he's like, ooh, is that new food for me? I think his chances are they are, because I'm actually eating a lot of the food that I'm making for him, rather than making any food for me and giving it to him. Sad, I know. But today, I did use that vegetable puree mix again. I've added a bit of mackerel to it, just to give it a bit more enticing, because I've taken out the rice. Instead, what I've done is very finely chopped broccoli and cauliflower and some carrot. And he has eaten it. Earlier today, he was very happily settled down for his siesta, doing his, beak grinding noises because he was a very full little birdie. He has also ate pretty much every little bit of those sticks that I make for him, which are like the equivalent to pellets, but my version of them. There are reasons why I do what I do to give him the options to choose what and what not to eat. Birds cannot tell us if they have an upset stomach. They cannot tell us if, say, papaya does not really agree with them because, you know, they might be prone to too much acidity, or things like that. There are certain very safe foods for birds, and that's what goes into the main food mix. These sticks I make so that he can pick and choose what to eat, and also hopefully to getting used to eating the fresh version, although I don't think that's really going to happen because these are all baked. Something else that I have noted is that, yes, Paddy? Yes? What did you hear? Did you hear the ambulance? Did you hear the ambulance? Since my last teal died, he has become more nervous about certain noises, and that includes the ambulance. The interesting one is he's going completely mental now Sunday mornings with church bells. I keep trying to tell him that I'm not going to force him to go to church or convert to any sort of religion, but he's not buying it. What has made a huge difference has been that he now is choosing the chamomile water as opposed to the plain water, as his preference. Now, that's this chamomile water. As you can see, that's quite dark now. When I first started giving him the chamomile because of the seizures, it was very dilute. Now, I slowly increased the dose, obviously watching for things like, you know, extreme lethargy or stuff like that. But now that dose is pretty much how I drink the chamomile. And as you can hear and watch him, do you think there's much lethargy there? No. But is he stressed? No, he's not that stressed either. He gets excitable still, yes, but I'm seeing no signs of the seizures, which, believe me, is a huge relief. That they are really, really, really awful to witness. If you've ever seen a bird having a seizure, or anyone really, or any other animal, it's a pretty horrific thing to witness. I think that's about done for today. Are we? Are we done for today? Or do you want to see if we can do another millet thing to show the power of millet now? Do you want this, baby? Yes, there's no hand here. You can just come straight for it. There you go. Good boy, Paddy. Yes, good boy. I try very hard to use yes and no. I know that you can use clickers and such for training birds, but it depends on how strict you want to be about things. And when you've got a domestic bird, which is really just your companion, I don't really see the need for that kind of strictness. But you do have to have a very simple vocabulary, like yes and no will do, but you have to remember to use it. Good boy might seem like a good idea, but the number of times you say good boy, you will be amazed about when you realize that you should not be saying it. So maybe try and just stick to yes and no. He understands no very well. That's a good boy. Yes, that's a good boy. You came to me quite willingly. we'll stick to the hand thing, maybe a bit later, maybe tomorrow. But you've been a fantastic boy today, Paddy. Excellent. And guess what I did again? I forgot your pistachio. Take care, everyone, and thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, I am not a videographer. I try and say what I can on video, but most of the information that I will be trying to provide will be beneath the video. So if you just click on that downward arrow thing, you'll be able to see a better explanation of what I'm doing and why I'm doing things. And if you're experiencing similar problems or doing much what I am, maybe we could exchange ideas and help each other out. Bye, everyone. Paddy, you going to say bye? You going to say goodbye? Say goodbye. Say bye-byes. And we're still not going to get him to say a thing on video. One day it will happen. Say bye-byes. That's it. We don't want you stuffed with we don't want you stuffed with millet, and you've just had a lot of it. Say bye-byes. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good boy, Paddy. Good boy. Say bye-bye.